Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yara. What I have for you guys today is this simple eyeshadow look using this palette right here. This palette is stunning and this is what it looks like. I love this palette. But now my loves, if you would like to see more eyeshadow looks step by step, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my tutorials. Now my loves, keep on watching. For today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using this palette right here. It has a beautiful big mirror and it also has beautiful shades. So this is the palette that I'm going to be using. Now my loves, let's get started. Okay, so the first shade that I'm going to be taking, it's going to be this one right here. And I'm going to be applying this shade all over the crease. Okay, now taking a smaller brush, I'm going to be taking this pink shade right here. And I'm going to be focusing this shade right here on the corner of the lid. Now with the big brush that I started with, I'm just going to blend the edges. And if you lost the pink shade a little bit, you can always go with the same brush and just apply a little bit more. Also, you just want to tap the color so you can get the best pigmentation out of this shade. And following the same steps, my love, we're just gonna take the big brush and blend everything together. And this is how it looks so far. I also want to mention that I did dye my hair and my hair is looking really dark and I love it. I was just missing that black tone in my hair, so I did dye it black just barely today. So if you notice all of this, please ignore that. It happened today. Anyways, let's keep going. And now for the next step, you just want to take a flat brush like this one right here, and I'm going to be taking this pink shade that has a little bit of glitter on it, and I'm going to be applying this all over my crease. And remember, if your brush is not working out for you with the glitter, you can always use your finger. Remember that the head of your finger is gonna make the application a little bit easier, and you're also gonna get more pigment out of it. Okay, my loves, and this is how the eyeshadow looks so far. Now I'm gonna take a moment to add my lashes and I'll be right back. My loves, I forgot to mention, but these are the lashes that I'm gonna be using. They're by LA Colors and they look like this. So I'm back. I already applied my lashes and you can notice the big difference that lashes make. And I love these lashes because they're super affordable, they're easy to apply, and also they're super natural. They don't look too extra. You can notice it just makes it look complete. So let's just finish the bottom lash, taking the same palette of course, and taking a flat brush. I like using this brush right here, and I'm gonna be taking this pink shade right here and applying it all over the lower lash. To finish the eye look, I'm just going to be taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to be applying it on the lower lashes. Okay, now for the inner corner, I'm going to be taking this kind of gold shade right here. Okay, my loves, and we are done with the look. I honestly can't get enough of this palette. It's beautiful, it's stunning. I do want to mention though that I did go and applied a little bit of black eyeliner. You guys already know which one it is. This is by Wet n Wild and it's just in the black color. My loves, and we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my tutorials. And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see on my next tutorial. I love you and I'll see you next time.